What's up, everybody? The Real Cito 13 here with my boy Tevin at Poseidon Tattoos. My man getting into Pokemon, so you know I had to bless him. I'm hooking him up with some shit, and he didn't know it yet, but I'm gonna plug him on some other shit. There's some extra shit on me, bro. Go ahead, rip it open. You gotta rip it open from the top. So I'm plugging him with a couple of ETBs, Black Bolt, White Flare, a couple sticker packs, some posters, and then there's some extra goodies he didn't know he was getting. Got the Ventini Big Card promo, a couple little sticker packs.
Yeah, this is cold. Yes, sir. I'm in there.
Like I said, this on me.
I appreciate you.
Go ahead, pop it open.
I'll see this. Damn, what?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Bro,
sir.
I
My boy's
appreciate you, bro.
first rated card. It's nothing crazy. It's an 8.5, but for the free ski.
I appreciate you.
Yes,
bro.
sir. Check out what else.
Oh, that's love, bro. That's love. Oh, I'm hooked up, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Spread.
Hit them with that spread.
Nah,
Like I
this is
said,
cool,
my
bro.
boy just got in
Appreciate you, bro.
tune. It's a great ass dude. He always looking out for me, so I had to take care of you, my boy.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yes,
Love,
sir. Yes,
man.
sir.